Hello, once again, we're back for another unboxing. How exciting. Yes, this one is cool. This one comes from the Tynemouth software. There it is, Tynemouth software. Fragile, like a Yes album. Canada. Computer parts. For commercial items only. Very good. All right, let's see what this is. I think I remember what this might be. We shall see. Lots of tape. I think I got through all the sections. Oh, that too, that's dodgy. Alright, let's see if we got the front corner. Alright. Aha! He has it. Perfect. Ah! Has paperwork. Woohoo, has description, has instructions, very nice. Tells me what all I've got. Kind of a how-to in sort of text form. Probably do better with video, but we'll figure it out. Now, some of these are duplicates, I believe, of the same thing. And this is the one where I think I tried to change my quantity, but ended up with an extra quantity, but it's okay. Got my invoice. 1, 2, 3 orders. These are all on Tindy, by the way. So you go to Tindy to find this shop. And Tindy's a pretty cool site. So we got that, and here are the paperwork to match what the thingies are. So we have, put that away. Ah, yes. 2 pieces of paper. One is a two product info. This one's a 2-pager, and this one is a single pager because I got 2 of the same thing, I believe. So first off, we have a deluxe composite video mod. Deluxe composite video mod. Let's find what's in the box. Hey. One of these is a RAM board, one of these is a video mod. And I'll probably be hard pressed to know which is which. This one is, I'm feeling, looks more video-like, but I may be wrong. What do we have here? Piece of wire. Oh, this could be the RAM. Conserve precautions for handling. Ah, that is the RAM. So this, let's touch the board, don't touch the chip or any traces if possible, is and there you go, a 400 Atari 448K RAM upgrade. So I have, excuse me, I did purchase one 400 machine. One of the original 408 bits. I got the one that has the membrane keyboard. So this will be a RAM upgrade, which I believe you have to solder one thing. It's supposed to not be too difficult. Probably barely where I'm at in terms of capability. We shall see. Soldered many things, but not anything sensitive. So I have lots of practice ahead of me as I begin working on some of this stuff. Try not to use too hot a temperature and burn stuff up. That is my understanding. The biggest newbie mistake is overheating the iron, overheating the solder, and then overheating the components and frying stuff. So we don't want that to happen. All right, I'm closing this kind of back up. All right, that'll work. Yeah. All right, so that's that. And the paperwork for that, it gives you a one-page instruction here explaining it, along with a nice diagram showing you how to do it. How to do it. There it is. I'm going to break down. All right, chopping things. So it's parts: one Atari 48K RAM PCB. It's got a 128K SRAM chip, one GAL chip pre-programmed, 4 10K resistors. Of course, that's if you're building the PCB, you know, assembling it all, because you had an option to buy it and assemble it yourself, save a little bit of money. It's not worth the time. It's not that expensive for one pre-assembled. That way I know I don't mess that up. And then there you go. So you disassemble the Atari 400. So let's see, the installation. 2 options for installation. The simplest involves no modifications to the Atari 400. Sold, that's why I bought it. But is limited to 32K RAM. The second gives the full 48K RAM, but requires 4 wire links to be installed. Well, I'm going to try for that because I'm sure I can handle it. But I might, if it works where you can plug it in and see if it works, I may just do that to see what happens and check it out, and then come back and do the wiring. There you go. Disassemble the Atari 400, easily achieved upside down. Remove the 4 screws. I can handle that. Continue with the 8 screws around the metal shield and remove that. I love removing metal shielding. Used to do that all the time on STs. I just didn't like putting it back, ever. Never. Probably a bad plan. The motherboard can then be lifted upwards enough to clear the power video board connector and unplug the keyboard ribbon. Though I will add, I saw many machines without shielding working just fine. So, and then of course the 32 RAM, unplug the RAM board, near the cartridge connector, install the new one, facing the same direction with the chips away from the cartridge connector. That's it. Plug and play. Or you can, and you're going to type in your print to screen, your RAM FRE command, FRE parentheses 0 parentheses. So otherwise, if you're going to do the soldering, that's where the little diagram comes in. It tells us exactly where the soldering goes right there. You can see it's not too bad. And then when you get done, you should have your 40K RAM recognized. The other 8K is hidden behind the ROM cartridge. And you pull the basic cartridge and you get to the other RAM. On some games it says, so there you go. Kind of cool. Simple little instructions. And then the other component is the video board. And that's this sheet here again, so I'll pull that out and look at it. Stuff is packaged very nicely. And this one comes with some cables for the harness there to make a little adapter. And making sure I'm not touching things I don't want to touch. Alright, so we got 2 components that I'll need that are stuck on a piece of foam there. And otherwise we have these little guys, which is where the cable's going to connect in. So I can do a better job of showing it. The connectors, these little guys are going to connect it in on that end. There's 2 of those in there, because I got 2 apparently. And the 2 chips are here that plug in. And that's that. That I may need a little more help with, but we'll see. All this back back in the box here, back in the package. A boxing and unboxing and reboxing all in one. Now, I thought I was getting my little Atari game computer today, but no, it was these parts, which is fine. I ordered some other stuff on eBay. You may have seen the other video with the portfolio. That same day I ordered one of the 8-bit game computers. That's the kind of stripped down 8-bit without the, you know, the funky one with the strange looking colors on it and the big button with no keyboard. It's sort of a bare bones 8-bit. It was made more cheaply, but we'll do lots of stuff. Okay, reading about this. Simple single transistor composite video buffer board used to add a composite video to various game consoles and computers from the 80s, which only have the UHF TV output. So it's only going to work on those machines. And it kind of goes through the things that they can be used for. Works great on like a 2600, 7800. It says the modern crappy power supplies, switchable supplies are not suitable for the 2600 because they generate too much noise. So we'll see if I may have to resort to the online for that. I remember seeing an image for that, but there you go. There's an unboxing from, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but Tiny Mouth, looks like. Tiny Mouth. Could be that too, Tiny Mouth software. All right, enjoy. Thanks for watching. I should say thank you for watching.